Update the Docker file to copy in the package the JSON first, install dependencies, and then copy everything else in. So this is the lines from Node calling 18 Alpine. So we go to our getting started folder in our VS Code, and I already updated it, so we just needed to copy the I think it was it was this line: copy space package the JSON space yarn dot log space dot slash. So I already updated it, the Docker file that is pretty much inside of the app. Now it says create a file name .docker ignore in the same folder as the Docker file with the following contents: no underscore module. So we go to Docker ignore. Again, I am inside of the folder app. This is the Docker ignore, and we just type in node underscore modules. So that Docker ignore files are an easy way to selectively copy only images relevant files. You can read more about this here, so you can click in this link and you can pretty much start reading this part of that Docker file. In this case, the no modules folder should be omitted in the second copy step, because otherwise it would possibly overwrite files which were created by the command in the run step. For further details on why this is recommended for Node.js applications and other best practices, have a look at their guide, Dockerizing a Node.js web app. So 3. Build a new image using the Docker build. So we go Docker build, we go to the folder getting started, inside the app folder. I was cleaning up my okay, they already here. Well, okay, so we just type in Docker space build space -t space getting started space dot, and so we click enter, we press enter. You should see output like this. So let me see, what do we have here? Run yarn install production. Okay, you'll see that all layers were rebuilt perfectly fine since we changed the Docker file quite a bit. So yeah, that is pretty much what we're looking for. Okay, so 4. Now make a change to the source/static/index.html. So we're gonna go to a source statics. Okay, source statics, and then we'll go to, let me see, let's close this one. Source statics, and inside static we go to the folder index.html. Okay, so source, source statics, we're here. So control plus, okay, control plus tilde to hide the incorporated terminal. So we are in the source static index.html, and we're gonna update, let me see, file, like change the title to say the awesome to do app. I think I already did it, I already updated. Okay, the awesome to do app, I don't know, 2, let's put it like that, and then save it. Okay, again control plus tilde or tilde to get the terminal. 5. build the Docker image now using Docker build -t getting started space that. So I'm gonna copy it again. I'm gonna make this one a little bigger. So we have Docker space build space -t space getting started space that. Press enter, and yeah, it's gonna take a while, I guess. So first off, you should notice that the build was much faster, well, and you'll see that several steps are using previously cached layers. We're using the build cache, pushing and pulling this image, and updates to it will be much faster. Okay, yeah, we're using the cached, so yeah, everything looks fine. Now, multi-stage builds. While we are not going to dive into it too much in this tutorial, multi-stage builds are an incredible powerful tool to help use multiple stages to create an image. There are several advantages for them. Separate build time dependencies from runtime dependencies. Reduce overall image size by shipping only what your app needs to run. Maven / Tomcat example. When building Java-based applications, JDK is needed to compile the source code to Java bytecode. However, that JDK isn't needed in production. Also, you might be using tools like Maven or Gradle to help build the app. Those also aren't needed in our final image. Multi-stage builds help. So we have from Maven as build, the next line work there space /app, next line copy space that, next line run space nvn space package, next line from space Tomcat, next line copy space _from =build space /app /target/file.war space /usr /local /Tomcat /web apps. In this example, we use one stage called build to perform the actual Java build using Maven. In the second stage, starting at from Tomcat, we copy in files from the build stage. The final image is only the last stage being created, which can be overridden using the --target flag.